Hello and welcome to the Stock Market Performance Playlist. Global stock markets ended a week of August 22, 2025, on a positive note, largely driven by a late-week rally following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. His remarks were interpreted as laying the groundwork for a potential September rate cut, which eased investor concerns about continued hawkish monetary policy. This provided a stick safe for markets that had been trending lower earlier in the week due to mixed economic data, including a surprising surge in manufacturing data and a rise in initial jobless claims. In the U.S., the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average rebounded on Friday to close the week with small gains, while the Nasdaq slipped slightly. The market rally broadened beyond the Magnificent Seven tech stocks, signaling a potentially healthier market. Two of the largest market cap stock movers on the U.S. markets during the week were Nvidia and Palantir. Nvidia saw a decline earlier in the week, attributed to a report questioning the return on AI investments, but recovered to end the week in the green, while Palantir experienced a significant drop, though it also saw a slight recovery. In Europe, markets had a mixed week, with the Stoxx Europe 600 index declining. European markets have been under pressure due to geopolitical tensions, a recent trade deal with the U.S., and signs of a steady but stagnant Eurozone economy. Despite the overall weakness, some sectors, like banking, have been outperforming. Japan's stock market experienced a three-day losing streak before a slight gain on Friday, supported by the improved global outlook on interest rates. The Nikkei 225 index is now expected to extend its gains. Japan's market is currently characterized by the return of inflation and rising interest rates, which are benefiting domestic-oriented sectors like banks, while a stabilizing yen is attracting foreign investors. China's stock market has been on a bull run, with the Shanghai Composite index reaching a decade high. This rally is occurring despite signs of economic slowdown and deflationary pressures. The upward trend is driven by abundant liquidity and investor optimism, with foreign investors showing increased confidence. However, some analysts are cautioning that the rally may be a bubble, drawing comparisons to the 2015 boom-bust cycle. Looking ahead to the forthcoming week, the focus will be on key economic data releases that could provide further clues on the Fed's policy path. The most anticipated news will be the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. Other important releases include U.S. durable goods orders, consumer confidence, and GDP updates for the U.S., France, Italy, and India. In Asia, mainland China's industrial profits data will be a key focus, along with central bank policy meetings in South Korea and the Philippines. Help us to bring you the best content possible. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.